Okay.
There we go. So now I angle that way.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oops, seatbelt. Keep my cap. This one is the bright mode, man.
Oh, you want the
display. Dark mode. Yeah, nice. Fan speed.
Is that your customer spot?
Oh yeah. Good man. Okay. Where am I right now? Medium auto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, nice. Okay, so we are taking a drive in the Lotus Emeya S, and we are right where Pavilion Damansara Heights is at. Just giving you guys a preview of what you guys could be driving in daytime, and then there's a darker drive mode later. Ambient lighting, if you can change it to red or orange, sorry, colorblind. Green, white is like this, and then we also got some blue like that. Side cameras, super nice. Love how this thing looks. You can move it all over the place. At night is super clear. Raining time especially, very nice. This one right here. Over there also same. To adjust the other side, you can adjust from here. Same. Driving mode on your right, regen braking on your left. So you can change it into sport if you wish to. And this is me driving in the front driver's seat. So later on I'm going to be switching to the back seat, where we can actually enjoy the back view of the top glass roof that we have right up here. So yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can hear the sound. That's actually the humming sound that the electric motor makes for the pedestrians on the outside to create awareness that your car is actually passing by, because since it's a EV car, everything is silent. So yeah, so cool, very nice. And put that silent. So driving mode, if I wish to change it, I can change it from the so-called paddle shift, located right where the steering is. The seats automatically tighten. And let's go to the left. So we are here with Ganesha. And yeah, he'll be taking the wheel in a while more, so that I can sit at the rear seats. Since this is a executive seat 4-seater, I'd like to enjoy the back seats of this particular car, to give you guys a feeling of what does it look like and feel like to be sitting at the back. And maybe one day when you guys are here, then you guys can test drive it for yourselves. Alcantara finishing all over the place, same as any other interior of the different colors as well. You'll still get this so-called Alcantara top finish on the side, top. A lot of parts, even the back part of the steering wheel right here, all of it same. You can move this stuff around if you like. The cones that shows you right on the left, similar. Motorbike passing by on my right here. Yep, it's being shown. Camera pops up by itself. There are a lot of safety systems inside that you can turn off if you don't want the car to correct you, or maybe give you any warning or beeping sound or blind spot assist or things like that. But yeah, let's now go back down here. Signal, go back down. And we are back down. We're gonna go back up again to the light, and we're gonna stop right where the drop-off area is at. It's gonna be quite dark, I believe, but let's see how we can manage the lighting, because I just want to do a walk around of the exterior of how this car actually looks like under the light. But someone is stopping here, so I'll stop in the next one perhaps. Hopefully no one else is stopping there. Someone is there. Never mind. stop the next one lah. Since someone is already here, let's take a drive out again. Wait for the car to go, and here we go. And somebody else is going there again, so very nice. Everybody's everywhere. Okay, let's go in. Let this person stop there. He's probably waiting for someone. Very nice indeed. So yeah, cool. I'm just gonna be stopping here and open up the doors. It stops automatically. I didn't stop anything because how to say, the doors have an automatic sensor. Let me just unbuckle my seatbelt. Let me get down. Come on, man. So yeah, can drive lah, bro. I just swap. So yeah, this is how the car looks like on the outside. Beautiful white exterior. Take a look at the back part as well. Looks really, really nice. So yeah, I'm going to be taking the back seat and we'll be going for a short drive around to see how this car actually feels to be sitting at the back. Let me also wear my seatbelt because I believe every EV nowadays you need to buckle up at the back for safety reasons. So I have my screen right here. I can tap, can actually lift it all the way up, back again. Quick access for the glass roof. I can make it fully clear. So this is what you guys will be looking at, you know. You get this glass view that we have right here. Now I have a screen additional part right here, right, where I can actually dim selected places where I wish to go. So this, I can just tap. See now, the shape on top, it just moves according to how I want it to be. Not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah. Can you see that? Yep, I'm changing the certain placements of the glass of which place I want it to be actually matte or actually clear. So I can make it full matte or I can make it full clear. But yeah, that's how it actually appears to be. So we can turn on the climate if I wish to, lower down the fan speed a bit, don't want the air to be blasting too loud. Yeah, comfortable sitting position. I'm nicely seated, relaxed at the back here. How's the drive in front, man, bro?
It's all good. All
good. So we are right where Pavilion Damansara Heights main entrance is at. Let's take a look at the top. The word Pavilion is right up there. Sure you guys can see it. Yeah, cool. Grey interior, magnetite, executive seats. You got your white seat belts. Very, very nice. You also can get other interior options as well. But yeah, so this is how it feels like to sit at the back. So you got your massage seats as well. Under seat you have your left massage. Now I can select standard or strong depending on how I want to be using it. The right also, you can have that as well. You can even stop the massaging seats if you wish to. Press back and you got the right massage. You can control that. Quick access controls the brightness of the screen, you know, and then auto off for how many minutes. If I'm not really using the 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then it's either clear or matte. So these are the options that you have. So sound wise, you have spatial, stage or source, depending on what kind of feeling that you want it to be like, you know. So it's a lovely sunset happening right now. And let me just take this cap off, show you guys. Yep, the rear seats, very, very nicely designed and done. Love the finishing of every part of this car. Look at the light right there, you know, the leg part also as well. Cool, love it. Top glass, we got Ganesha right at the front. So let's, yeah man, we can go back to the car park already, bro. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna go down to the car park and yep, it's just a short drive to just show you guys how this car actually feels and looks from the interior. Front driver's seat all the way to the back, passenger seat, and then on the exterior part of the car, just a simple walk around to get you guys to feel what this car actually looks like or feels like. If you'd like to find out more, there's only one place to go, which is actually there are a few places to go, but Where we are located at right now is Pavilion Damansara Heights. So the location will be in the description down below, where you guys can actually feel the car for yourselves. So we're gonna head back in. Yep. Cool. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.